Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Gigi and we do nail art here. So what we're doing today is a little bit of a surprise. I have been keeping a secret from you guys. It's a big secret. It's not actually my secret, it's somebody else's secret. And it's a big secret and I'm really excited about it. And we're going to do a little extra reveal nail at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. What we're doing are flamingos. We're doing fancy, wonderful, surprise flamingos today. I saw a clip art drawing or a clip art like cutout of a flamingo. And I thought it was so freaking cute. And I'm like, I'm putting that on some nails. Now, traditionally, flamingos are pink. But you know, your girl Gigi, she likes to mix it up a little. So what I decided to do was do tone on tone. We're going to do a teal flamingo. And then we are going to do a purple flamingo. And I'm going to go back and forth between the two. You're not going to see me create either one of them 100%. Well, actually, I think the teal one with a little glimpses of the purple one. Because otherwise, this video would be really long. So, what we're doing now is just painting that body. And all I did to start the actual flamingo was put a circle. Just make a circle. And then from there, bring the neck down, create the body shape, and fill it in with gel. And that is really, honestly, these nails are cute and fun and really easy to create. You do not have to be able to draw perfect or lifelike, I can speak, to make this set work. It's just super cute. Now here's the purple one. I made its body off camera. We're gonna go ahead and start doing the beak. And flamingos usually have like a two-colored beak. So I'm just doing what almost looks like a duck beak here. And then we will bring the rest of the beak in with black, like you see oftentimes on flamingos. But you could certainly use this body shape and turn it into other birds, like maybe swans or ducks. So, although with ducks you wouldn't want the tail to come down, you'd want it to come up more, and probably with swans too. But anyway, what I'm saying is with a little bit of modification, you don't have to do flamingos. You could do a different type of bird that maybe calls to you. So I definitely like to mix it up. I know you guys too do as well. Sorry, my enunciation skills are really lacking today. So excuse me on that. And then we're just coming back in on this one and making the little beak. Honestly, I think the beak on this one came out the best. And I'm just using that little cleanup brush to clean up the sides I don't like. And to kind of drag that color up the side of the yellow. So it's just sort of a hint of it there. Now we're coming in to make the wings. And I wanted to come back in with the lighter color to make the wings. So they really are kind of like they're ruffled up a little on the sides, like they're lifting their arms up, right? Their wings up. Not arms, they're not arms. Gigi, they're not arms, they're wings. But you know what I mean, like they're sort of ruffling their feathers. And then we're gonna come in with a little black and do some outlining work. And I'm only gonna show you this really on this one because guys, the line work, it gets really repetitive. Honestly, if you're doing more than one of anything and you're using the same technique, doing it more than once in a video starts to get a little old. So I don't want to bore you guys. I definitely want you to enjoy the full video. So we're just going around with the black. We're going to come in and make a little eyeball with that as well. And black is the color we're going to make the legs and feet with as well. Although you could certainly do whatever color combos you like. You don't at all have to follow anyone else's rules. Art is for the artist and the appreciators, I guess. The viewers, the enjoyers. I don't know, what would you like to be called? I don't think of myself as an art aficionado, so I can't really call myself that, but I am an appreciator and an attempter. I do art not on nails a little bit as well. I like to work with pastels. So, and I've sold a few pieces. So in the terms of have I made money from my art, I guess you could say I'm professional, but not on a grand scale, and certainly not on anything that would be worth mentioning in terms of dollars. I do dip down here a tiny bit, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm just adding a little bit of glitter to that wing to really, I just wanted it to pop, right? And what pops better than a little gold glitter on a teal nail? And you've got some holographic in there. Look at how that light is picking up the holographic in that glitter. And don't forget, with the glitter, you can remove a little if you put too much, which I know it is hard to put too much glitter, but it happens. It happened here. It happened here. Now, I do want to mention, I know this video is up a little late today, guys. 3 hours late, sorry. I just finished. I literally am going to export this and put it right up on the channel. So honestly, my life was a little complicated the last few days. I had a lot of stuff going on with very little sleep, and I could not get to the editing, and so I had to do it today. I didn't like what I laid down, so I picked it back up, and we are just swirling that around, looking at it from different sides. This one's going to have purple glitter, but honestly, after looking at it, I kind of wish I'd gone silver. Let me know in the comment section. Do you agree or disagree? Should have left it purple or should have gone with silver? I think I should have gone with silver. Okay, so I'm going to talk about this on the other channel later today, or maybe tomorrow. But any of my horror fans, have you guys been watching that HBO show, Lovecraft Country? Oh, if you want to talk about that a little bit, come to my other channel this weekend sometime. We'll be chatting about it. Coming in with some top coat, and look at how it makes that glitter shine. Now, the purple glitter is not holographic, but you can see in the gold, you got those little holographic shines. Ooh, 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 ooh. And here we go. We're gonna, oh my goodness, this came in here twice. How did this happen? It's too late for me to change it, guys. I don't know how this came in here twice. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is hilarious. Luckily, it's not very much. It's this stupid, I tried to edit on my computer, and oh my gosh, you guys. That's part of why it took a long time. I'm having a hard time editing on the phone because it takes up so much room and I don't have enough room. What I need is a camera and a really good editing program on a new computer, and I'm working on that as quickly as I can. I'm so sorry for this little extra bit. I would cut it out, but there's no way I'm going to have time to make that happen. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, now we're coming back in with the top coat again, because for some reason this is in here twice. I find this to be extremely annoying. I'm going to say, really annoying. Look at how pretty that is, though. You do get to see the top coating twice. And here we go with the finished 2 nails. But don't forget, I did promise you a little surprise. And that little surprise is a blue nail. And why do you think I would give you a blue nail? That's right, my daughter is having a baby boy. I have a new grandson on the way, and that blue nail is our reveal nail. So, yay, new baby on the way. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. See you next week. Mwah. Bye.